Take advantage of the broad-reaching benefits of intradermal delivery with Kindeva's microneedle array patch capabilities. We customize our technology for your brand and patients, ensuring effective administration of both small and large molecules, including vaccines, peptides, proteins, and biologics. Our team has the expertise necessary to support your product's entire lifespan, from early-phase development through launch and post-commercialization. And we stay up to date with evolving regulatory guidance and best practices. Clinical benefits of intradermal drug delivery could include enhanced immunogenicity for vaccine delivery, potential for greater efficacy, PK improvements, and faster onset of action. Microneedle array patch platforms also have the potential to minimize needle phobia, improve patient experience and compliance, and offer options for at-home administration. Additionally, through room temperature stability, microneedle array patches could eliminate cold chain storage, improving vaccine access for hard-to-reach populations. Kindeva offers development and manufacturing support for solid-coated and liquid drug delivery platforms, as well as patch applicator systems. With unparalleled options for customization, including total dose delivered, space between microneedles, microneedle length, droplet volume/solids per microneedle, droplet shape, coated formulations, and number of microneedles. Our expert team understands the interrelationships of these variables and can help you to create an optimal design for your target product profile. Through extensive capacity and unrivaled capabilities, we support your specialized drug delivery. We can manufacture over 1 million patches per year for clinical trials, with commercial manufacturing capabilities to produce approximately 14 million patches per year. Kindeva delivers the unmatched support your therapy deserves, backed by over a century of time-tested know-how and cutting-edge global manufacturing and development facilities. Combine forces with us to leverage second-to-none microneedle-based delivery solutions for vaccines and other applications.